Camtasia's quizzing features make it easy to gather feedback from your viewers. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create and export a video with a quiz or survey, along with how to receive quiz results. Before we start, it's important to note that videos with quizzes or surveys made in Camtasia must be viewed in the TechSmith Smart Player. And there are 3 simple ways to use the Smart Player. 1. Upload a video to screencast.com, which uses the Smart Player for all its videos. 2. Host a video on your own website and upload the Smart Player. And 3. Upload a video and quiz as a SCORM package to a SCORM-compliant LMS. Now that we know where we can use quizzes and surveys, let's get started. To add a quiz, choose Interactivity from the Tools panel and select one of the options. The first option adds a quiz to the timeline. Quizzes added to the timeline can be moved freely to any point in the video. The second option attaches a quiz to a specific piece of media, which then moves with that piece of media as it's positioned on the timeline. Adding a quiz turns on quizzing mode, which allows you to quickly add more quizzes by clicking on the quiz track above the media or the timeline. To toggle quizzing mode on or off, click this arrow. With the quiz selected, add questions and modify quiz options in the Properties panel. By default, the Question tab is open with a blank question already added to help you get started. Choose the question type. Enter the question text, along with answers to the question. Set the correct answer. Then, decide if you'd like to give viewers feedback, depending on whether they get the question right or wrong. For example, send the viewer to a specific point in the video if they answer incorrectly. To add additional questions to a quiz, click Add Question. When finished, click this button to preview the quiz. It's important to note that quizzes are not displayed on the canvas when previewing a project. Select the Options tab to modify the quiz name, and choose whether quiz results are displayed to viewers, or if the quiz is to be scored. To produce a video with a quiz, choose either screencast.com or local file. For a local file, choose any of the MP4 with Smart Player options, or choose Custom Production Settings, and then choose MP4 with Smart Player. Continue through the production wizard until you get to the quiz options. Select this box and enter an email address where you'd like to receive your results. Then, choose whether or not viewers can take the quiz anonymously. Click here if you'd like to modify the appearance of the quiz buttons by changing their text. This is handy if you're creating a survey as opposed to a quiz. To make this video and quiz into a SCORM package for a SCORM-compliant LMS, select this option and enter your SCORM information here. When finished, Camtasia will produce the video and the Smart Player to go along with it. If you're on a Mac, choose screencast.com or local file. For local file, choose MP4 or main concept and make sure both Export as Web Page and Include Quiz are selected. Click here to set up an email address for quiz results and change the appearance of quiz buttons. To make this video and quiz into a SCORM package for a SCORM-compliant LMS, select this option and enter your SCORM information here. When finished, click Export, and Camtasia will produce the video and Smart Player to go along with it. Upload these files to your website or LMS to view your quiz online. At the end of each day, you'll receive an email of results, including 2 spreadsheets. One that summarizes the results for the day, and another that contains detailed information for each question. Results can also be viewed online at results.techsmith.com. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.